What if you could take your luxury home anywhere deep into the mountains, across deserts, or along the coastline, without sacrificing comfort? Meet the Ready Set Van Hudson, one of the most luxurious and adventure-ready camper vans ever built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform. From a king-size bed and full bathroom to auto-locking drawers and a massive off-grid power system, this camper is designed for people who refuse to compromise. Let's take a full tour of this incredible mobile home. Adventure-ready exterior. The Hudson is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170-inch wheelbase, making it capable of tackling rough terrain while still offering a smooth highway ride. Ready Set Van upgraded the suspension with agile off-road shocks and leaf springs, while Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires mounted on Overlander wheels provide excellent grip on dirt, sand, and rocky trails. To protect the vehicle during off-road adventures, the body features durable protective coating on the bumper, grille, hood, and lower side panels.
Moving to the rear, you'll find a spare tire carrier, ladder, cargo box, and a powered bike rack that makes loading bicycles incredibly easy. The roof is fully equipped with everything needed for extended off-grid camping. 350-watt solar panels, large roof rack, LED light bar, awning, max air ventilation fan, roof-mounted air conditioner, flat Starlink satellite internet antenna. Even better, the standard 24-gallon fuel tank has been upgraded to an impressive 48-gallon tank, nearly doubling the driving range. Beautiful luxury interior. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the premium craftsmanship. The interior combines acacia wood flooring, white cabinetry, walnut cabinet fronts, walnut countertops, soft blue upholstery. The open layout creates a spacious feeling throughout the camper. Both front seats are premium swivel captain's chairs, allowing them to rotate and become part of the living area. A comfortable bench seat and removable lagoon table provide the perfect place for meals, work, or relaxing. Fully equipped kitchen. The kitchen includes everything needed for daily cooking. Deep stainless steel sink, cutting board cover, flip-up extension table, induction cooktop, 80-liter Dometic refrigerator, multiple storage cabinets. But the most impressive feature is something you don't normally see in camper van. Every drawer includes an electronic auto-locking system. The moment you start the engine, every drawer automatically locks, preventing them from sliding open while driving. It's a simple feature that greatly improves convenience and safety. Full bathroom. Across from the kitchen is a surprisingly spacious bathroom featuring indoor shower, handheld shower head, hot water system, Klasana ceiling toilet, waterproof flooring, retractable self-cleaning shower door. This setup allows you to enjoy the comfort of a real bathroom almost anywhere. Spacious king-size bedroom. At the rear sits one of the Hudson's biggest highlights. Instead of the smaller beds found in many camper vans, this model features a genuine king-size bed. The bedroom also includes 6 overhead storage cabinets, reading lights, roof-mounted air conditioner, side shelves acting as nightstands. Whether you're camping for a weekend or traveling for months, you'll have plenty of comfort.
Massive rear garage with a heavy-duty pull-out tray. This space easily stores camping gear, folding chairs, bikes, tools, outdoor equipment. Everything stays organized while lithium battery bank, 3,000-watt inverter. This means you can comfortably run up and electronics for extended periods without needing campground hookups. Water system. The plumbing system is equally impressive. It features 40-gallon freshwater tank, 4-gallon water heater, outdoor shower connection, undermounted gray water tank, perfect for long camping trips far from civilization. Final thoughts. The Ready Set Van Hudson combines luxury, technology, and true off-road capability into one incredible camper van. From its king-size bed and full bathroom to its innovative auto-locking drawers and enormous off-grid power system, every detail has been designed for travelers who want maximum comfort wherever the road leads. While the price is estimated to exceed $200,000, this camper offers a level of quality and capability that few luxury van conversions can match. Would you choose this luxury camper for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing camper vans, motorhomes, RVs, and luxury travel vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.